Hey everybody, Robert Wright here, private label law attorney, and today I want to give you one tip, one hack for stopping hijackers when you don't have a trademark, right? Everybody knows the benefit of brand registry. Brand registry is going to give you enhanced listing capabilities, it's going to give you special advertising opportunities, and most importantly, at least for brand protection purposes, it's going to give you a means by which to report infringement. But what happens if you don't have that, right? Getting a trademark takes a long time. Here in the United States, it takes about 9 months. If everything goes perfectly smoothly, we know that never happens. Like, there is no perfect, you're gonna hit bumps in the road, right? So what do you do in the in-between time? Well, you could go off to Mexico and get a trademark. You could run over to the UK and get a trademark. There are other offices that are much faster to process applications, but even still, that's not gonna help you. I mean, there's gonna be some gap between when you're in market and when you've got a fully registered trademark that you can register for brand registry. So here's what you do. You use Amazon's own rules to your advantage, right? Amazon's rules are this. Every item being sold in association with an ASIN has to match the details of that ASIN 100%, right? So what does that mean for you? That means, if it's a bundled product, you've got to sell that bundle. If the product comes in red, then you've got to sell a product that comes in red. What does any of this have to do with hijackers? What you can do to make sure that only authentic, good products your products are being sold under an ASIN, on your product packaging, on the inside, somewhere where you can't see, on the inside, simply write, "This is authentic." Have your supplier screen print, "This is authentic," on the inside of the die cut, right? Put that around your packaging, and you put that into Amazon. And so if you get a hijacker, right, you're selling a product that says this is authentic on the box inside. That is an aspect of the ASIN, right? And if you have a product, if someone's selling that exact same product, and on their inside of their box they don't have "this is authentic," that's going to be a means by which Amazon can take them down. Sounds really silly, sounds too simple to work. Try it, I promise you. You might have to do a test buy, and that's going to take a little bit of time, but when you don't have a trademark, you don't have that club in your bag, you need all the clubs that you can get access to, and simply asking your supplier to, on the inside of the box, put "this is authentic," it's going to give you some sort of recourse if somebody does jump on your listing before you have your trademark registered.